The Mont is your new home in Edinburgh and a gateway to explore the historic cobbled streets, flamboyant architecture, and dramatic highland vistas of the most aesthetic city in the world. Nestled right at the cusp of Edinburgh's city centre, they offer modern and classy, fully furnished en-suites and studios. Imagine waking up in a bedroom on a cozy bed with underbed storage and the Scottish sunshine on your face. A study desk and chair, a wardrobe, and a private bathroom, all within arm's reach. Fall in love with cooking in the fully equipped modern kitchen. Binge watch or work from home, the super fast Wi-Fi got you covered. Heading out of your room, explore the simmer room, games area, and residence lounge to create unforgettable memories. Take a break at the gym to sweat it out, spend sleepless nights at the study zones before exams, and say goodbye to laundry issues and extra expenses as the rent covers everything. Staying at the Mont means staying 15 minutes walk away from the University of Edinburgh and just a short stroll taking you to the Edinburgh College of Art. Walk down the street to treat yourself to some of the best Scottish restaurants and bars like Salvatore's, the Argyle, and many more. Catch buses at your doorstep from the 2 stops across the street. Edinburgh is calling you. Let's go. Grab your spot today at amberstudent.com.